This bird doesn't build nests in trees. It hides them underground. Meet the amazing petrel, a seabird that spends most of its life flying across giant oceans. Instead of building nests in branches, petrels dig deep tunnels underground on remote islands. These secret burrows protect their eggs from predators and powerful ocean storms. Some petrel tunnels can be longer than 1 meter. The parent birds return to the exact same underground nest every year. Most petrels return home only at night, so larger birds can't easily spot them entering their hidden nests. The mysterious petrel proves that nature has amazing ways to protect life. Follow for more incredible bird facts.